Hi guys, it's Clarice and I'm back with another video. This time 5 things that I would definitely change about my wedding. So let's just jump right in. Alright, the first thing I would change about my wedding is the cake. I would have chosen a smaller cake, and why do I say this? Because no one really ate the cake and I went home with $800+ worth of cake, and it somewhat got eaten, but some of it actually got thrown out, and that kind of hurts my heart because that was a lot of money. So I would choose a smaller cake and maybe have the bottom layer be like a fake layer and have maybe the 2 top layers be cake. 2, I would have spent more money on my photography. I would have had a second photographer to get all of those moments, and also I would have been more specific with my photographer. Instead of just saying do whatever you want, I would have said I want this photo, this photo, this photo, and I would have been more prepared with photography. So the third thing I would change is starting earlier. I would have wanted my wedding to start a bit earlier because I feel like I missed out on a lot. I was so busy getting photos taken, talking to like people as I was like running by, doing various events, you know, like cutting the cake and all the first dances, that I didn't really get to 100% enjoy my wedding as much as I would have liked to, and as much as everyone else was, because I was just like running around with like a chicken with my head cut off. So I would have liked to start maybe even an hour earlier. We started at 4:30, and if we had started at 3:30, I think I would have had enough time to like do more socializing and feel like I was really like enjoying my wedding. Oh, and I didn't even get to eat my food because I was literally running around the whole time, like talking to people like, and it was just like wild. It was a wild time. I loved my wedding, but I would have liked to enjoy like 1 more hour of it. The 4th thing that I would have changed is my decor. I would have gone simpler because I spent literally my entire life for 1 year planning out decor, and I literally grew gray hair agonizing over my decor. And I had a lot of fun doing it, but at the same time, I feel like I low-key wasted a lot of my life. And I don't want to say waste because that seems a little rude to myself at the time, but it really felt like I lost a lot of time worrying about little details of decor that no one was paying attention to, or if like they did, it was like that's cute, rather than like a deep meaningful change in their life. So I would have gone for simpler decor. The 5th and last thing that I would change about my wedding is staying in my wedding dress for longer. I had chosen a second outfit to change into when the dancing started, and I switched into that as soon as we started dancing, and a lot of photos that I got with my guests, I was already in that second outfit and I wasn't in my wedding dress. So I regret switching so early because I didn't get some of those photos that I had hoped for. And also, there's only 1 day you can wear your wedding dress unless you get married twice, which I do not plan to. And I only spent like 4 hours in my actual wedding dress, which is ridiculous since I had it custom made. Okay, so that's that. Those were the 5 things that I would definitely change about my wedding, and I hope it helps you as you plan yours so that you don't make the 5 mistakes that I did. All right, have a great day. See you later. Love y'all. I need to do that outro again because that was interesting.